Hi all, I am back with the next video. I hope you learned new things from my previous videos. Okay, this is second video from Engine in Node.js category. Modules in Node.js. Let's start. This is our agenda of this tutorial. What is modules? What is predefined and custom modules? How to create module? How to use modules? That means how to import and export modules. I am going to create one sample JS function. I created one file sample.js. Here I am creating one function called sum. Function sum having two parameters. Just it going to return the sum of value. Okay, just I am running it. I open the terminal window. I hope you remember for running the node.js file, node space file name. Oh, I didn't call this function. Just I call 1 comma 2. Let's try now. Let me print this console.log. Okay. Yes, we got the output now. Now we having this JS file is right. This is a file considered as a module in Node.js. Yes, each files treated as modules in Node.js. Actually, we are created one function, but while running, Node will cover this entire function, entire code into function wrapper, meaning it will be like at the end of this, it will convert this to this. This is called function wrapper. Actually, I have explained this function wrapper in JavaScript tutorial. If you not having idea about this, you can view that one. It will be better. So, if you are making as a function wrapper, all the inside of content converting into local scope. Meaning, for example, even though if you are defining one global variable, I declare variable pi equal to 3.15. Okay, even this variable I created as a global variable, but in Node.js, each file I told converted into consider as a module. So this code wrapped by function wrapper. This what will happen at the runtime of at the compile time of Node.js. Okay, so meaning each files of the Node.js consider as a module. So you can't directly access the files or function or variable which preside in another file from the, for example, I have declared pi variable in sample. Let me create one more file. For example, I am having this. Okay, I have created one more file called sample2.js. Actually, I could not access this functions or variable, whatever I have defined on another file. I could not directly access from this next file, because those files, variables, everything preside into the functional wrapper, because every file considers a modules in Node.js. So then how can we use that? For that only they are providing export and import of future. So we will discuss detailed about that. Also, this function wrapper I told, right? This function wrapper will have the 5 parameters: modules, require, directory, file, like the way actually in next tutorial we will talk about the detailed thing about wrappers. Okay, now you can understand what is module. Okay, what are the types of module? There are two main categories of module. One is custom module, another one predefined module. The predefined module, the Node.js itself already defines some modules and they have defined on the global scope. Example, you can use var http equal to require. For exporting the modules, you need to use require of particular name. Actually, this HTTP, for the timing, you don't worry about these things. What is HTTP module? What are the features of that? We will discuss later what is HTTP and functions of those things. For the timing, you can understand. So now I am printing this variable in console. For the timing, just I command this one. Okay. See here, we are getting the output, but I never declared HTTP module from our package. This is loading from the global files. So, what are the modules are defined by the Node.js in globally? Those are called predefined modules. So, what is the next type? Custom module. The user can able to define custom module. For example, consider here I have declared function. So, as I told previously, each file considers a module, right? So, this is the one module. This is called custom module. I am going to use this module in other files. So, for accessing this, you have to assign like this export. You have this is a one object to export it. So, for the exports dot, what the name you are going to give for exporting this function. So, I am keeping the same sum. Just I am assigning this function. Okay. Now, here I want to call that function. So, for that I am declaring one variable called web sum equal to require of where my modules are defined, same directory in sample. Here no need to specify the extension because it is preset there, right? I am not specifying the extension, it is not needed actually. Sum dot sum of. You can give here any name. Instead of sum, you can give sample2 also. Maybe sample. So this will get the exported object. This object having the function of sum. Here I need to pass to variable. Let me try this. Let me execute sample2. Okay. Here I am getting 5. How it happened? Because this sum is preset on this file. This file got exported method. That's the reason we are imported, so we can able to do that. Even if I declare one more function here called subtraction, if I do that, I am not exporting this function. Okay, let me try to access that one. I will give greater value here. we are getting the error. The sample.sub is not a function because we are not exported that. How we can able to export? The same thing. We can give another one. This is called key or property. We can give any name, but the same name only we can able to access the other. Oh, I exported. Let me try now. Yes, now we are able to access. But how I am getting 15? A minus, oh, I assigned some. I hope you noticed this. Okay, now we are getting expected value. This is a this is module. So we came to know about the predefined module, custom module, and what is module. Actually, why the modules are required? Think about that. We can have it everything in single file, right? But think about the real case in as a entire project. While we are developing using the node, we will come up with hundreds and hundreds of files. Each file may have thousands. If we are writing everything in one file, think it is a very messy one. Yeah, that's the reason we are splitting out, and splitting maybe can able to export and import things. It is a reusable components, right? That's the reason node providing this. Okay, we will talk about the detailed things about export and export property and function closer and require in upcoming videos. I hope you having the basic idea from this video. Okay, thank you. Keep follow me.